Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
Hi, I am NIVASH from Tamil Nadu. So I joined PySpiders in the month of October. So I completed my engineering in the year of 24, and in the college of JRG I became CSA College of Engineering. So first I joined Vijay sir backup class. So there I get very good experience in Python, and I enjoy to learn Python. And then after that pushing backup real backup class, that is our Lakshmi sir batch, and there also I experienced the same joy in Lakshmi sir class, and I enjoyed in Python class. I enjoy learning new topics in Python, and sir will give task and I will complete on time, and sir will give that assignments and we need to complete on time. He will make us to understand the logics in very good way, and each and every time he will teach and make us understand. He'll mention are you understand or not, whether you need to repeat one or two times. He will not. He'll again repeat. So next I joined an SQL batch, that is Muralidharan sir batch. So every time when I go to SQL batch, so then Muralidharan sir used to enjoy most. So when he got angry, sometimes he'll scold, and then so by taking that as a thing, we need to perfect in all the things. So we need to take all the things from trainers. So after that evening, I have joined RT class, which is taken by Selva sir. So usually for 1 week I was silent in that class. After that I started interact to Selva sir, and he was used to more friendly, and then he's from same my place, so he used to ask my family members, how are you, what are you doing, and all. So after that I joined manual class, which is taken by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. So that also I experienced same entertainment, and then they used to make us understand concept very well. So when I take mock, beginning I was so nervous, and then no, I didn't have any confidence to attend that mock interview. By attending each and every mock interview, I got more confidence and I improved my communication skills. And then while doing bootcamp also, because while doing bootcamp we'll be doing with a different type of persons. We will not get to know who is our teammate, but because the person also came here to get job, I also came here to get job. They are from different state, I am from different state, so it helps me a lot, because the only way to communicate to them is through English only. So this helps me a lot to get job. That's all.
So you are completed with all the subjects, Python, manual.
And one more thing, and then I joined in Python Selenium class. The same was taken by our Lakshmi sir. He used to give some tasks, so I used to complete daily, and then show him evening, and he'll appreciate that. That appreciation makes me to work again fast and need to do more tasks.
Actually, you are good at scripts, writing practical scripts. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.